In this tutorial, I will tell you how to add a viral text in your video. Before watching my video, like, comment, share, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notification. Don't skip, watch till the end. Let's get started. Now go in the fonts and select Beverly font. Keep the size according to your video. Add glow and keep the intensity about 40% and range 100%. Add the food effect. In the end, add type to an animation and fade out. Subscribe my channel for more editing tutorials and make sure to hit the bell icon to get quick notification. Stay tuned with me for more such tutorials.